420. CJO. Cartoons and weed. Let it ride. Chillin' like a villain. The weed got me feeling good. It's 420, so ain't nobody studying. I wish a bitch would. Smoked away the drama like you know who should. Today, everybody got a bag of that firewood. Yeah, true potheads know we smoke every day, but today is a brand new day in a weird way. Setting the alarm for 4:20 a.m. on 420, then smoking until 4:20 the next day is what some would say is how stoner legends are made. Even if a few hundred brain cells cave,